At last, a robot that makes polishing a car easy. No, no, no.
Hey, mister, my daddy and I have found an easier way to polish our car with Dupont No. 7 Auto Polish.
No. 7 Auto Polish makes cars look new. Dirty, grimy cars are easy to do. Weathered paint and dirt and grime are lifted away. Get Dupont No. 7 Auto Polish today.
When weathered paint and traffic film make your car look old, rub on Dupont No. 7 Auto Polish. It lifts away the grime. Wipe it off and your car looks showroom new. No. 7 Auto Polish is easy to use, ideal for any car, any kind of paint. It's from DuPont, the makers of auto polish who know car finishes best because they make finishes. You'll find DuPont No. 7 products wherever auto supplies are sold.
Get DuPont No. 7 Auto Polish today for a new car color brilliant.